In this math video, we're learning about factors and prime factors. Factors can be any number. They are numbers that we can multiply together to equal another number. One number may have many factors. The example that I've got here today is the number 12. So the first thing I'm going to think about is what two numbers might multiply together to equal 12. And the first one that comes to my mind is 1. So 1 times 12 equals 12. So they would be kind of factor buddies. And then I go to the next number up from 1, 2. Does 2 times anything equal 12? And in this circumstance, yes. 2 times 6 equals 12. So 2 and 6 here are factor buddies. Okay, so now the next number 3. Well, 3 times 4 equals 12. And so here, it's very important to put the commas in, otherwise it's 46. So here you can see all of the factors. These are all of the factors of 12. So prime factors are all of the factors of 12 that are prime numbers as well. Okay, so one way of finding the prime factors is by using something called a factor tree. And with a factor tree, we put our original or chosen number in a square, and it's kind of like it's the branch. Okay, and then we say, okay, well, what two numbers multiply together to equal 12? And it actually doesn't matter which two that you use. And so the first ones that popped into my head were 2 and 6. So because 2 is a prime number, I'm going to put a circle around it, and it's kind of like the leaf that stops at the end of the branch. And then because 6 is a composite number, meaning that it's still got more factors to go, I'm going to put a square around that one. So now I'm going to look at the two numbers that multiply together to equal 6, and what pops into my head are 2 and 3. So the prime factors of 12 can be written like this: 2 times 2 times 3. Now another way of writing it, to simplify it, is 2 to the power of 2 times 3. And that is the prime factors of a number, or 12. Okay, so now I've got these ones here for you guys to try. You can try and find all of the factors of the number, and then please also have a go at finding the prime factors of the number and writing it in this simplified version here. Remember to show you're working out.